Hi everyone, on today's channel we are diving into the fascinating world of high-tech greenhouses and how they grow delicious cucumbers all year long. Imagine a glass palace bathed in sunshine, not for royalty, but for cucumber champions. That is what a greenhouse is. The glass lets in sunlight, warming things up perfectly for our cucumbered friends. This method, called controlled environment agriculture, has become super popular because it allows farmers to grow more food with less waste. But it's not just sunshine and good vibes. We are talking smart farming with automation systems and precision agriculture. Basically, fancy tech that keeps everything running smoothly. This means more cucumbers and tastier ones too. Speaking of champions, who are the cucumbers kings and queens? Well, countries like China, the Netherlands, Spain, Mexico, and Turkey are leading the pack when it comes to greenhouse cucumbers. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do these cucumbers actually grow? First thing first, we don't plant seeds in soil. Instead, they get cozy on special growing slabs. These slabs are like a cucumber spa, providing all the nutrients they need to thrive. Think of it this way. It's like a super healthy smoothie specifically made for happy cucumbers. This precise feeding keeps the plants strong and helps them grow as fast as possible. Speaking of fast, we can give these superstars an extra boost with LED lights. These super efficient lights mimic natural sunlight, even during winter, making sure our cucumbers get the sunshine they crave all year round. But cucumbers aren't just couch potatoes, they love to climb. That is why we use special ropes hanging from the greenhouse ceiling. As the cucumbers grows, we gently guide it up the rope, creating a vertical jungle of green. Just like us, cucumbers like it comfy. The ideal temperature is around 20 to 25 Celsius degree, with humidity level of 60 to 70%. And to avoid any shade-throwing drama, we might need to trim some leaves to make sure everyone gets their share of sunshine. Finally, harvest time. Depending on the variety, some cucumbers can be ready in just 40 to 45 days, which is super fast. A sharp knife and careful hand are all we need to pick these perfect green guys. Remember, happy cucumber don't get damaged easily, so a gentle touch is a key. The good news is, the more we harvest, the more cucumbers the plant produces. By following these steps, we can get a high yield of delicious, top-quality cucumbers from our greenhouse. But the journey doesn't end there. Once they leave the greenhouse, the cucumber get a VIP treatment at the factory. They go on conveyor belts, get sorted by size and color, and even get little labels with all their information. Finally, they take a relaxing nap in a cool storage room until they reach your fridge. After each harvest, the greenhouse gets a thorough cleaning to get rid of any leftover plant material or unwanted guests like pests. This keeps things squeaky clean and ready for the next season of champion cucumbers. Greenhouse farming let us enjoy fresh cucumbers all year round. No matter the season, it's a sustainable way to grow food, and with even cooler technology on the horizon, this method is sure to become even more widespread in the future. So next time you bite into a crisp, delicious cucumber, remember the amazing journey it took to get from a seed in a greenhouse to your plate. Thanks for joining us today, and if you enjoy learning about high-tech cucumbers, be sure to subscribe for more exciting science and agriculture adventures.